Hindus worship multiple gods and goddesses, and each of them is believed to have unique powers. As such, Ganesha and Lakshmi are known to grant success and prosperity, while Saraswati is believed to bless one with wisdom and intelligence. The Hindu god Shani is a powerful god believed to ward off the evil eye and remove obstacles. Shani is the lord of the planet Saturn, one of the 9 planets as per Hindu astrology, and is worshipped on Saturday, which literally means Saturn day. The word Shani, also known as Shanishchar, literally means the one who moves slowly, and considering that Saturn takes about 30 years to orbit around the Sun. Shani is also known by many other names like Sora, Manda, Krurdishti, Lochan, Pangu, Saptarchi, Asit. These names are associated either with his personality or legend associated with him. According to Skanda Purana, God Surya was married to Daksha's daughter Sandhya. Sandhya could not tolerate the radiance of God Surya. She used to feel that by doing penance she could increase her brilliance, or by the power of her penance she could diminish the glare of God Surya. From God Surya she had 3 children. One was Vevastava Manu, the second was Yamraja, and the third was Yamuna. Sandhya loved her children very much, but she was very upset with the radiance of God Surya. One day she thought that she would separate from God Surya and go to her parents' home and undertake great penance. And if there was opposition, she would go far away to a lonely and undertake great penance. By strength of her penance, Sandhya created a Chaya, which means shadow of herself, and named her Suvarna. After handing over the children to Chaya, Sandhya told her that Chaya would therefore play the role of womanhood and nurse her 3 children. Sandhya told her if any problem arose, Chaya should call her and she would come rushing to her. But she cautioned her that she must remember that she was Chaya, not Sandhya, and nobody should know this difference. Then she went to her father's house by handing over the responsibility of taking care of the children to her. When Sandhya's father got to know about her decision, he became very upset and asked her to go back to her home immediately. Sandhya refused to accompany her father. She took the form of a mare and went to the forest to do penance. Chaya also did not have any problem with the god Surya's sharpness due to the shadow form. Then after few months, Chaya was pregnant with Shani. Once Shani was born, God Surya glanced at the newborn baby so fondly. When the baby was so black in color like charcoal, the god Surya was put down and was heavily disappointed. In fact, he doubted that someone else was the father of Shani, since Surya himself was dazzling in white in color. The story behind his appearance is that while god Shani was in the womb of his mother Chaya, she was engrossed in penance and prayers to Lord Shiva so much that she stood in the hot sun without food, water or shade. Lord Shani, born with great powers, was upset at the insult of his mother and cast a cruel glance at his father, the god Surya, who charred his body. A worried sun god called out to Lord Shiva for help, who came and explained to him the reason for Shani's wrath. At this, the father apologized to his son and finally regained his previous appearance and powers. But this was only the beginning of a difficult father-son relationship, which was not helped by Shani's rigid and angry nature. It is also said that when Shani was born, Sun went into an eclipse, a further sign of the enmity between the two since Shani's birth. Shani Dev is a very strict god. Giving alms to the poor and the needy a sure way to win the blessings of Shani Dev. Unlike some misunderstandings, Shani Dev is never cruel to anyone. No doubt, Shani's position in the horoscope can bring misery and misfortune. However, the fact remains that Lord Shiva has given Shani the responsibility of rewarding or punishing people as per their good or bad deeds. Therefore, Shani Dev is only giving the fruits of people's actions. In fact, when a person repents for his mistakes and engages in good deeds, Shani Dev will easily get mollified. So viewers, this was the story of Shani Dev. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked our episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.